Guess who's at the vet? Bucky, why are you coming so close to the camera? It's just my phone, you weirdo. I woke up and guess who's blocked again? Bucky is. So we're here at the urgent care vet getting unblocked. That's the phone. He just had a sedative, which is why his eyes are so dilated. And sometimes it can cause him to be so ferociously hungry. No, you cannot have any food right now. You cannot eat right now. I know you want food. You can have churros as soon as they're done, okay? Okay. But we're here at the urgent care vet. Today was going to be a day of documenting PAX Unplugged, but Bucky had other plans. Yeah. Oof. Jesus. Smacked your head good. Yeah, did those meds kick in real fast, Bucky? Oh, yeah. But here we are. Hope he gets better. Otherwise, he's going to be getting... If he blocks again, he's getting surgery, so it'll be easier on him. Essentially, he'll become a girl. Yes. Oh, you're such a goofball, Bucky. All right. I'll stop tormenting you with the phone now. And he needs to stop fighting with his sister because he's got a big old thing. Because his nails seem clipped. I'm trying to... Can I look at your nails? He's like, no. Pet me. Give me food. Oh, my poor cat's high. I'm just trying to feel your nails, dude.